Tsweletso e ile fase mafapheng a tša tsweletso, meepo le tša temo e le go ona a hlolago mešomo ye mentši. Tsweletso ya dikhemikale, diplastiki, dijo, difatanaga le dikarolwana tše difatanaga e theogile. Lefapheng la meepo, tsweletso ya gauta, malahla le diteemane e ile fase. Mola go tša temo, tsweletso ya didirišwa tša nama e theogile.
The reason behind that is if we look at what has happened with the logistics, in particular in KZN during the flooding, that being the movement of goods through the ports, etc., that being stopped to a large extent for quite a few weeks before it could get going. So it negatively impacted on all industries. And then, of course, load shedding. That was the other one that really, if we can look at the manufacturing industry in particular, we can see that hasn't had an impact.
Go letetše gore go kgaoga-kgaoga ga mohlagase go tla tšwela pele go ama kgolo ya ikonomi gampe mo kotareng ya boraro ya ngwaga.
As far as load shedding is concerned, that remain a big risk. As you mentioned in your opening, Eskom announcing load shedding yet again today. And if it does continue and it does worsen relative to the second quarter, then we might expect economic growth to also contract in the third quarter. But that is not our expectation at this point in time. So second quarter numbers likely to reverse, but in itself it also means that the economy is now back below pre-pandemic levels.
Makala a dinamelwa, dikgokaganyo le dikgwebo tša go lota dithoto le a ditirelo tša ditšhelete ke ona a laeditšego kgolo ye kaone mo kotareng ya bobedi ya ngwaga. Tlora Sefakomosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.